Welcome to Liberty Lake Wildlife Part 4. All of the Liberty Lake Wildlife videos have now been relabeled, so if you want to find parts 1, 2, or 3, just search on Liberty Lake Wildlife and that should bring them up on YouTube. This moose couple was living up above the Liberty Lake Park in June, and a few weeks ago the same pair of moose was noted up in the Cable Creek drainage just above the ORV park. Later on, some folks on the Liberty Lake Facebook group posted video of the couple in Post Falls, so they must be having a little holiday over there, and hopefully they'll come back to Liberty Lake at some point. This video that you'll see in the shadows shows how the bull's antlers grew over a foot in the 10 days between the two captures of videos. Apparently they can add over a pound of antler material a day. I never knew that moose lose their antlers every year and have to regrow them. Bears have also been very active in the park over the last month. Although I haven't seen any images of cubs. Over the last 4 years, we've had numerous video captures of mothers with cubs, but this year it's just lone males and females wandering through. The deer have been quite active, but I have noticed that they seem to be moving to lower elevations to be closer to water, as it's very dry the further up the mountain you go. Fire danger up there is extremely high. I'll stop the narration at this point and you can just go ahead and enjoy the wildlife. Thanks for watching.